Hi boys and girls, I miss you. I hope you're all doing well. I'm hopping on today for math to continue our addition table exploration. I have added some colors to our table, and so I invite you to take out your addition table from yesterday. That's all colorful, and we're going to add a few more colors and a few more strategies to our toolbox. But let's begin by reviewing what strategies we have, addition strategies. So if we look over in our legend, we have learned the add zero facts. We have learned the count on facts by counting on or adding 1, 2, or 3 to a number. We have been playing around with the doubles facts, which are in green and diagonal, up and down. And what did we do last time? Down here, the add 10 facts, where we looked at that number rack and we could quickly add 10. And we looked at the add 9 facts, where you could think about the add 10 fact and then just take one away. One really interesting thing I would like you to notice about the addition table, maybe you have already, but take a look at our doubles facts. And you will notice that this portion of the addition table, that triangle section right there, is the same on the other side of the green doubles facts. Those are the same addition facts in reverse. So it looks like a lot of facts, but if you know them one way, you know the other way. For example, take a look at 2 plus 4 equals 6. Well, we can look on the other side of the addition table. What is the reverse of 2 plus 4? 4 plus 2. There it is. They're the same fact. And if we look at another one, let's try 3 plus 5. Find 3 plus 5 on your addition table. What is the total of 3 plus 5? 8. You're right, so there it is. There's 3 plus 5. What is the opposite? The reverse, 5 plus 3. There it is. And you will see the pattern spread out. It is so cool. All right, today we're going to need an orange crayon or colored pencil and a brown crayon or colored pencil. And we're going to try our best to color really lightly or outline these facts. Let's start with the make 10 facts. We're going to color that legend, make 10 fact, orange. And you'll notice on my addition table, I only have 2 boxes where that is the strategy so far. So I put an orange box around it. And then you'll notice I put an orange dot where all the facts add up to 10. We want to make 10. What's 2 numbers make 10? 10 plus 0 equals 10. 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3. Look at where it's heading. Do you see the pattern? 6 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 4 plus 6, 3 plus 7, 2 plus 8, 1 plus 9, 0 plus 10. It's another diagonal. So the make 10 facts are a diagonal across the table. You can pause the video and box out or highlight or dot in those facts and those strategies on your addition table. When you're ready, press play again. Now, the next strategy we need brown for, and it's called doubles plus or minus 1 facts. If we know our doubles, we can quickly solve a plethora of equations without much effort. And it's gonna zoom in here. I've already put the brown dots on the table. Can you find all the brown dots? Look where the doubles are. Look where the green boxes are. And we're gonna follow. Do you see the brown dots going diagonal along with the doubles? Doubles plus or minus 1. So let's start in the middle. 5 plus 5 equals 10. If I know 5 plus 5 is 10, what's 5 plus 6? Well, that's a doubles plus 1. I know 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 more is 11. Okay, if I know my double fact of 5 plus 5 is 10, what's 5 plus 4? Well, I don't need to count on. If I know 5 and 5 is 10, 1 less is 9. Go ahead and put a brown dot on all the doubles plus or minus 1. And you will notice it is to the right of all the boxes going up. And it's to the left of all the boxes going down. You can pause the video and add that to your addition table. We're going to use those strategies in a game now. I'm going to carry you over and teach you how to play a game. We are adding some more games to our workplaces, and so you're going to be my partner as I play this new game. I have it all set up down here. All right, this new workplace game is called Turn Them Over. Turn Them Over. So it's a 2-player game, and you each are going to get a set of 10 cards. They'll be rubber banded. Or if you're playing at home, you can use a deck of cards and find 1 through 10 for you and 1 through 10 for your mom or a friend or your brother or sister, and you're going to set them up in order from 1 to 10. Now I had it in order. Now I got to get it back in order. Okay. Now they're in order 1 to 10. Okay, they're face up. Now you're going to take turns rolling the dice. If you're in class, you're going to use a cool dice, and it has numbers 4 to 9 on it. Numbers 4 to 9, and the 6 has a line underneath, and the 9 does not. That's how you know the difference. If you're playing at home, you have regular dice. You can just use the regular dice. And then if you roll 6 plus 6, there's no 12, so you can just roll again. Okay, so we're going to roll the dice. You're going to add the 2 numbers. I have 8 plus 4. What strategy could I use for 8 plus 4? Well, if I look at my handy-dandy addition table, I see that there's no strategy up there because those are the leftover facts. That's what they're called. That's what they call them in Bridges. Leftover facts. They're the leftovers. Like, nobody really wants to eat the leftovers. Although in our house, sometimes we eat leftovers for days, especially now during virtual learning. Anyways, so 8 plus 4. Got to figure it out. I used my fingers I counted on, and I got 12. So then you're going to look at your cards, and you're going to flip over or turn over 2 or more of your cards that add up to 12, that have the same sum. So you don't necessarily have to turn over 8 and 4. What else makes 12? You can flip over 2 or more cards. I'm going to flip over, I'm going to flip over 6. 4. That's 10. I need 2 more, so a 2. So now I've flipped over 3 cards. Turn them over. Okay. And then my partner goes, go ahead, partner. They rolled an 8 and a 7. What strategy could we use to figure that one out? You're so smart. Doubles plus or minus 1. So I know 8 plus 8 is 16. Am I right? It's been a long day. What's 8 plus 8? Or what's 7 plus 7? Let's do it that way. I know 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. And then 1 more is 15. So my partner has to turn over 2 or more cards that make 15. My partner chose 10 and 5. That makes 15. Okay, play continues back and forth until one student has turned over all of his cards or both students are unable to use their remaining cards to make any sums. The first player to turn over all the cards wins. Now, if both students got stuck, each student finds the sum of his remaining cards. The student with the lowest sum wins. All right, so both my partner and I got stuck. So my total is 8 plus 1. But it's a count-on fact. That's 9. And my partner has 6, 4, and 1. What's that total? 11. Who has the lowest points? Mrs. Ziegler! Good game, partner. Oh, no handshake. Fist bump, partner. All right, if you are playing this game in class, of course, we're going to keep our masks on. We're masked all the time now to keep each other safe. This game is called Turn Them Over, and I hope you have fun playing the new game. Thank you.